Okay. So Ramya is a 10-year girl. Okay. She received exactly six gifts: a toy, a gun, a Barbie doll, a beanbag, a set of crayons, a toy dog, and toy car. Okay. So, two information we have. The first one, what they are telling that there are six gifts. Okay. Now, from her father on her birthday during various years, she received the first gift on her second birthday. Okay. The first will be at second, and last gift on 10th birthday. So 10th, right? So it is not like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it's not like that, right? Okay.
Random years.
Random years, right?
Hmm.
You know only about the first gift that was on second birthday, and the last one was on 10th, right? The rest four you don't know. Fine. Okay. Now, however, she lost three of the six gifts by her 10th birthday. Okay. So till her 10th birthday, she lost how many gifts? Three gifts,
Three.
right? So she'll be having three gifts with her, right? Okay. Further, it is also known that she lost one of her gifts during the same year that she was gifted a toy car, which she did not lose, right? So we know one thing, that toy car is the gift which she did not lose, right?
हाँ भैया.
Fine. Now, she lost the gift that her father gave her on third and sixth birthday, right? So tell me one thing. You know how many dates now? 2, 10,
3, 6.
3, 6,
हाँ.
right?
Hmm.
I can tell na कि she received gift on second, third, sixth, and 10th birthday,
Yes.
Yes.
right? Okay. She was gifted the beanbag 2 years after she was gifted a toy car. Okay. She received at least one gift from her father every 2 years, and she did not lose the gift that her father gave her on her second birthday. She was gifted the set of crayons 3 years after she was gifted the Barbie doll, and she lost exactly one of these two gifts, right? Understand? Now, from this point, fourth, can I tell that she must have received a gift on eighth birthday?
Yes.
Can I tell that? Hello. Karana, 2 years.
Ye-
Every 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Right? And one more gift is left. That can be either 4,
4 or 5.
Or 5.
4 or 5. Hello. Clear?
Yes.
Right? Now,
Yes.
read the fifth point. She was gifted the set of crowns 3 years after she was gifted the Barbie doll, and she lost exactly one of these two gifts, right? So can I tell that she could have gifted a set of crayons on her which birthday? 5, 6, 8. Why?
3 years after की
Hello.
बात हो रही है.
3 years after we are talking about now. So 3 years after means
Hmm.
2 ke baad it can be 5. 4 is not possible.
हाँ.
Hello. Right. For this one, 4 is not possible. Right. So either it will be 5, either it will be 6 or 8.
Yes.
Hello. Now, let's suppose if she was gifted crayons on her sixth birthday, right? So Barbie doll she would have got on third.
Third. Possible नहीं है.
She would have lost na this
Hmm.
one.
Third.
Right? क्या बोल रहा है? She lost the gift that her father gave her on third and sixth birthday, right?
6 birthdays. Yes.
Hello. Hello. Now, sixth is gone, right? Now, let's check for eighth. Okay. If she was gifted the set of crayons on her eighth birthday, right? So, Barbie doll, in which birthday she would have got? Fifth.
हाँ.
Hello. This thing is clear.
Yes.
Hello, this thing is clear till here. This thing is clear now,
Yes.
right? Now tell me one thing, when this case would be there, then what would have happened? She would not have received beanbag and the toy car, right? 2 years apart.
हाँ
Beanbag
वही
and they
पॉसिबल
are
नहीं हो
2 year
पाएगा.
apart. Now, if I'm considering 5th and 8th, then this would be gone, na? Hello, there is no option of 2 years, na? Hello, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what would be
Yes.
carry-ons?
5th बर्थडे पे.
5th crayon would be on 5th. Hello, clear? If crayon will be on
Yes.
5th, then Barbie doll will be on.
Second.
Second.
This thing is clear to everyone, right? I took all the cases and checked it out, right? It was violating some of it, right? Hello, hello. This thing is clear till here. This is clear,
हाँ
right?
भैया.
Now let's use the first one. What the first one is telling, she lost one of her gifts during the same year that she was gifted toy car, which she did not lose, right? So she did not lose toy car, right? Hello, so she should not, third and sixth then toy car would not be there.
हाँ.
Hello, third and sixth, it cannot be toy car from the second, right?
Yes.
Hello,
हम्म.
right? Now read the third point. She was gifted the bean bag 2 years after she was gifted a toy car, right? So it would be 8th and 10th.
Yes.
एक ही केस है. हाँ.
Toy car will be on 8th. एक ही case है ना, 2 gap का, right? So toy car will be on 8th and the bean bag will be on 10th.
Yes.
We are not sure about toy dog and toy gun, right? It can be third or sixth in any order, right? Hello, because there is nothing conclusion is coming up from that, na? About these two, right? There's no
हाँ.
information is also given about these two, right? So we are sure about 4 gifts, but not sure about 2 gifts. This thing is clear,
Yes.
right? So final table, what you will be getting? Second will be Barbie doll, right? Third would be either toy gun or toy dog. Hello, right?
Yes.
Fifth would be
Crayons.
crayons. Sixth, again, toy girl, sorry, toy gun and toy dog. Eighth, toy car.
हाँ.
And 10th,
Beanbag.
beanbag, right? Now, this would be lost, no, right? Which one will be lost? This one, this one,
Third.
this one, right?
Sixth.
And this one would be not lost, right? Hello, clear?
हाँ.
Swarna,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? Where you stuck in this?
The fourth point, वो जो 2 years every 2 years बोल रहा था वो year को
Now you
मैं
understood.
मतलब
Now you
yes.
understood, na? Right. Fine. Let's answer. Which of the following gift did Ramya lose? Toy gun, Barbie doll, toy.
Gun और dog दोनों.
Toy gun and toy dog, right? D option. More than one of the
Yes.
above, right? On which birthday Ramya gifted a toy car? 8th.
हाँ.
Hello. Right. ये हो गया होगा ना सेट क्रैक तो?
हाँ हो गया था पर उसके बाद हुआ था टाइमर के बाद.
सर मुझे 20 मिनट के राउंड लग गया था.
इसको क्रैक करने में भाई?
यस सर, मैं उस समय 40 मिनट के टाइमर में लगा के कर रहा था तो मुझे टाइम लग गया इसमें.
भाई हमें कितना टाइम लगा? 10
नहीं
मिनट?
सर, आप तो यस.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट, राइट? मैं बस बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब
यस
तो टोटल कितने सेट क्रैक किए? 2?
सर, ये इस नहीं सर, एक्चुअली ढाई हुए, ये वाले टाइम लग गया. उसके बाद वो जो सेट था ना जिसमें ये 5 to 8 वाला, तो शायद 5-6 मिनट के अंदर ही हो गया था.
हाँ तो हो गया ना, तो 2 सेट तो तुमने क्रैक कर ही लिए, राइट? सही तो है, ठीक तो है.
यस
एनीवेज,
यस.
लेट्स गो विद द
तो
थर्ड
सर
वन.
ये अटेम्प्ट
हाँ,
करना था क्या हम लोगों को?
भाई यार
मतलब
मैं
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट
एक्चुअली
में।
एक्चुअली एक 17 to 20 वाला होगा, ठीक है, वो पहले कर देना चाहिए था, रूट वाला जो क्वेश्चन था वो
यस
थोड़ा
सर, वो
इजी था।
इजी
हाँ
था सबसे।
यस,
जो रूट
वही।
वाला था
यस
ना
सर वो।
17 to 20 वाला, वो करना चाहिए था तेरे को।
हाँ
उसके बाद यू वुड हैव डन 5 and 8, राइट? वो 10 मिनट्स, ये 5 मिनट्स में तूने क्रैक कर दिया, ठीक है, 2 सेट डन। फिर तू
हम्म।
इधर ये वाला सेट क्रैक कर देता या तो एंड वाला सेट क्रैक कर देता। और वेन डायग्राम अच्छा है तो यू वुड हैव डन दिस वन, 13 to 16,
वेन डायग्राम।
यस
हाँ।
ठीक है, राइट, ऐसे कर
हम्म।
सकते थे,
यस।
ठीक है। एनीवेज लाइक डन ना, ये हो गया सेट, राइट? दिस सेट इज डन, राइट? कैन आई मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सेट?
यस।
ठीक है, क्लियर ना? क्लियर, राइट? हेलो, clear
हम्म।
ना? See,
यस
what you have understood from these, na, right? See, what my point is, na, whenever a question is there, right? See, we have to just, like in this question, what I did, I cross-check two things, na, right? What I was cross-checking? Fifth, sixth, and eighth, right? Crayons. My sticking point was crayons. I picked that out and I was looking for whether it will be 5, 6, or 8, right? And through that, I ended up with solving it out very fast, right? So this is the triggering point. You just need to find out the triggering point. That's all. And trust me, with practice ना वो अपने आप hit हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा। See, my point is ना, I have done a lot of set, तो मेरे लिए easy रहता है to know which set which question I have to start with, right? So but this all will come only by practicing. There's no shortcut in that, ठीक है? Arrangement, things are coming up and all, right? Okay, anyways, let's do the fifth and eighth one, right? Okay. 100 student of a class stand in a queue. They are numbered from 1 to 100. 100 teacher numbered from 1 to 100 distribute chocolate to this student. The first teacher give 1 chocolate to every student. The second teacher give 2 chocolate to every student. 2, 4, 6, and so on. Third teacher give 3 chocolate to each student. Number 3, 6, 9, and so on. Until the 100 teacher who gives 100 chocolate to the 100 student. This is mathematics, right? Numbering pe to, right? Anyways, what is the total number of chocolate that are distributed to the first, fifth, and 25th student, right? Fine. The first student receive 1 chocolate from the first teacher. Hello,
हाँ।
right? The fifth student, he will receive 1 chocolate from
फर्स्ट टीचर।
first teacher, right?
हम्म।
And 5
यस,
chocolate from fifth teacher,
फिफ्थ टीचर।
5 + 1 5th student,
right? What about the 25th? He will be getting again 1 from
1
first teacher, fifth
5
from fifth teacher, and 25th
25
25th।
from the last teacher.
31
10, 38.
38 total.
38। हम्म।
Hello, right? Fine. Okay. Sixth, which teacher distributed the least number of chocolate? Fine. Okay. Simple as well, right? Every teacher, right, whose number is less than 50, right? He distributed at least one person between 50 and 100.
हाँ।
Hello.
यस।
So this teacher will distribute more than 50 chocolates, na?
Yes,
Right? But the 51st teacher, he will give how many chocolates to the 51 student?
51
51. Hello.
हम्म।
My point is, see, the teacher whose number is less than 50, right? They distribute chocolate to at least one person whose number is between 50 and 100. They will give, na? Hello.
हम्म। हाँ।
Right? So what about the 51st student? 51st teacher, right?
बस
She
50
will
फर्स्ट
give
को ही मिलेगा।
51 chocolate to 51 student. So what will be the least number? 51,
51
right?
यस।
Third one. The maximum number of chocolate given by any teacher is, right? Fine. Anyways. See, the first teacher give 1 chocolate to every student. Second teacher give 2 chocolate to every student, right? Hello. On an average, 1 chocolate per student. Hello. On an average, this is 1 chocolate per student, na?
yes,
Hello. Now, let's consider for the other teacher, right? So, average will be how much? At most, it will be 1, right? And maximum, it would be 100.
हाँ। यस।
Right? At most, it can be 1. But maximum, it will go to 100. Hello.
100।
It would be 100, right? The number of students who get exactly chocolates from exactly 2 teachers, right? Okay, fine. Now, For a student to get chocolate from exactly 2 teacher, right? The student should have exactly 2 factor. Hello.
Yes.
Exactly 2 factor, na? Exactly 2 factor is for which numbers? Prime
Prime
numbers,
34
number.
to 50.
prime number
right? So in 1 to 100, how many prime numbers you will have?
25.
25. The answer gonna be 25, right? So this would be the first set what you should have cracked. Okay.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next. Yes. This one is also an interesting thing. See, it look like now very easy set and all, but the calculation in this is a little bit, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है, ठीक है? मतलब, I tried to solve, but I was stuck in between. So let's do it again. Anyways, Hari wrote 6 exam, right? Each in a different subject among math, physics, chemistry, economics, botany, and zoology. The pie chart below, which is drawn to scale, provide the marks scored by Hari in each subject as a percentage of the total marks obtained by him in all the 6 subjects put together. The names of the subject have intentionally been left due to the out in the pie chart of, and instead the subject are labeled as okay. Now what they're telling in the pie chart, S1, S2, S3 subtend angle of 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree respectively. Hari scored 15 marks less in chemistry than in economics, but he scored more in chemistry as compared to physics. The angle that S4 subtends at the center is smaller than the subtended by S3, while the angle that S3 subtends at the center is larger than subtended by S5. Okay. The marks scored by Hari in math are the same as the sum of the marks scored by him in 2 subjects, in each of which Hari scored an equal number of marks. The difference between the highest marks of Hari scored in any subject and the lowest mark that Hari scored in any subject is 55. Hari scored 30 marks less in zoology than in chemistry. Fine. Read the 4th point and see the pie chart. What you can understand, what he's telling that Hari's score in math is the sum of the score of 2 other subjects, right? And he score exactly equal in 2 subjects, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, which case would
Yes.
be possible? It would be only possible
S1
for
equal to S2
S1
plus
equal
S3.
to S2 plus S3. 45, 45. Hello.
Yes.
S1 equal to
Hello.
math.
Right. The S1 would be mathematics. Hello.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now, let's understand one more point where they are comparing. That is second. What they're telling, Hari scored 15 marks less in chemistry than in economics, but he scored more in chemistry as compared to physics, right? Now, understand. Hari scored more in economics than in chemistry, right? More in, like, what I mean to say that economics marks will be more than chemistry,
Yes, sir.
right? Now, second and fourth. Sorry, second and sixth. Sorry. Second and sixth. Hari scored 30 marks less in zoology than in chemistry. So what I can tell that Hari marks in zoology and physics are also less than chemistry.
Yes.
I can tell this now. Hello. Hari marks in zoology and physics is also less than chemistry. Right. Now tell me one thing. Chemistry we cannot represent with S6.
Economics आ जाएगा.
Why? Because economics must be represented now, greater than that. Hello. Whose value is
Yes.
higher than S6, but ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं. Right? Chemistry cannot be S4 as well, because S4 is having the smallest value.
Zoology probably.
Right? Now, if you are representing chemistry as S2 and S3, right? Hello. then zoology and physics you cannot be represented because they are lower than this. Hello, two things are lower, na?
Yes.
हाँ दोनों को रिप्रेजेंट
Zoology
नहीं कर
and
पाएगा.
physics, yes, we cannot be representing that, right? So at the end, what would be the chemistry?
S5.
S5 आ
S5.
जाएगा.
If chemistry is S5, then economics would be
S6.
S6. Hello,
हाँ.
this thing is clear,
Yes.
right? This thing is, we are sure, right? Now we have to play the game on the basis of zoology, right? Now understand. Let us, zoology you can represent with either S2, S3 or S4. Hello. Like this thing is clear, na? Till chemistry, economics and chemistry, this is clear to everyone, na? Right.
हाँ.
Fine. Okay. Now let's suppose that zoology is S2 and S3, right? Okay. Let's suppose if Hari scored 2 A marks in maths, right? Then what marks would be in zoology? A.
इक्वली बैठेगा. हाँ.
Right? In the other subject would be also A. Right? Hello.
Yes.
This thing is clear. Now read the fifth point. The difference between the highest mark that Hari scored in any subject and the lowest mark Hari scored in any subject is 55.
हाँ.
Right. Hello. So S4 will be what? 2x. Sorry, 2a minus 55.
Minus 55.
Because S4 is the lowest. The sum of S4 and 2a is 55. What would be S4? 2a minus 55.
Yes.
Hello, this thing is clear. Right. Now let's suppose we have one more information on economics, right? 15 marks. So let's suppose he scored Y marks in economics, right? Fine. So Harry's score in chemistry would be what? Y minus 15. Hello.
हाँ. ठीक है.
Right. Then what marks would
Yes.
be in zoology? Y minus
Y minus 45.
45. Right. Hello. Clear.
Yes.
And what will be marks in maths if this is zoology? 2y minus 90.
हाँ. Double over space.
Right. Now this is equal to what? 2y minus 90 is equal to 2x. Hello. So what would be y minus x? 45. Right.
45 25 आना चाहिए ना.
कैसे 90 है ना, तो 2 कॉमन
अच्छा
आ गया ना,
90 लिखा है ये. हाँ हाँ मुझे
तो
50
2y
देगा. हाँ
minus
ठीक है.
90 is 2x ना, this is 2 minus
हाँ
2y
हाँ.
minus 90 ना we got. Right.
Okay okay.
Maths marks we're comparing na. Hello. Now what will be S4 then? If I substitute here, what will be S4? Sorry, this is A na, sorry. Y minus A is 45. Right, what would be S4? 2y minus 145. Right. Hello. S4 will be 2y minus 145 na. You'll substitute na. S4 was what? 2a minus 55. Instead of A, what do you want to put?
अच्छा यहाँ से वैल्यू निकाल के उसमें पुट कर दे. ठीक है.
Right. है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So if I'm adding all the sum, right? For example, the sum of score, you know, S4, S5, S6, right? That should be 4x, 4a. because S1 and
4A।
S2 S3 by this is representing half na.
हाफ है।
Hello, this is representing half na, so this one should be 4 times, right? 4A. So what I can write, y plus y minus 15 plus 2y minus 145, that should be equal to 4A, right? When you solve this, what will be getting? 4y minus 4a, that is 160. Then y minus a is 40. Don't you think this is contradicting? We are getting y minus a is 45 and y minus a is 40. Hello.
इसका मतलब zoology S4 होगा।
Zoology cannot be S2 and S3.
हाँ, बहुत
Right?
लंबी कैलकुलेशन चलेगी इसमें तो।
भाई किसी ने कोई और मेथड यूज किया है क्या इसमें? Anyone who used any other method? Swarna, you told na you cracked this set.
यस सर, मेरे इक्वेशंस थोड़े अलग है क्योंकि मैंने केमिस्ट्री को एक्स करके ट्रीट किया, फिर उसके
हाँ,
बाद इको को मैंने लिया x प्लस 15, जूलॉजी को x माइनस 30, मैथ
हाँ,
को x प्लस 25 और फिजिक्स और बोटनी को x प्लस 25/2। उससे
मतलब you
मेरा
got
सब एक
your answer.
वेरिएबल में आ गया। फिर मेरे जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड का क्वेश्चन था उसके ऑप्शन से मुझे आ गया सारे आंसर्स, टोटल मार्क्स करके आ गया सबको सारे मार्क्स।
Okay, but yes, this one will be the method, right? मतलब जो
हाँ,
नॉर्मल
अगर
रहेगा,
वही सोच रहा था, अगर फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चन का अगर ऑप्शंस नहीं दिया होता तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता फिर।
right? So what we got? Then what would be your zoology?
S4 हो जाएगा।
Zoology will be S4
S4,
and botany and physics would be
S2, S3।
S2 S3।
S2 S3, right? अब तो सारा सॉल्व हो जाएगा, है
हाँ,
ना? Then what will be the marks scored in zoology? Y minus 45, right? In maths, Hari would have scored 2A, that should be equal to y plus 10, right? सेम चीज जो ऊपर हमने किया यार, चीजें बदल जाएंगे और क्या। तो what you will get? 2A minus y is 10, right? Hello. And what is mark in half Hari in economics, chemistry, and geology? That will be how much? Y, y minus 15, and y minus 45. And sum of this should be 4A, right? Hello.
हाँ,
तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? 3y minus 60 is 4A. 4A plus 3y, that is 60. Two equation, two unknown,
A
right?
और Y निकल आएगा।
Right. तो y for 2A,
10।
4A, तो इसको 2 से 2A 2y, तो y will be 80 आ रहा है क्या? y would be 80 and a would be 45, right? Hello. अब आगे सारे मार्क्स, what would be the
हाँ,
marks in maths? 90,
90,
45 in physics, 45 in botany, 35 in
बॉटनी।
zoology,
zoology, and
30,
65 in,
65 chemistry।
केमिस्ट्री।
right? Hello.
1 degree equal to 1 marks आ रहा है।
हाँ, अब तो सारे आंसर हो जाएंगे, फिर तो इजी है, राइट?
यस सर।
केमिस्ट्री का भी आ जाएगा, 65 डिग्री आ जाएगा, राइट? है ना? हेलो,
यस सर।
यस।
ठीक है। ये वाला था, आई वुड एडवाइज मतलब सारे सेट्स एंड में करते हैं, ये वाला एंड लास्ट वाला, तो दैट वुड बी मोर एडवाइजेबल, ठीक है? हेलो,
हम्म।
हुआ क्लियर? मतलब एक बार खुद से भी कर लेना तो ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है? मतलब वही है,
हाँ।
कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड था और क्या। लाइक दे हैव गिवन यू द वैल्यूज की 15 मोर है, 45 मोर है, ये चीजें हैं। सम वैल्यूज वी ऑलरेडी नो, so we use that value to find out. मतलब जैसे for example it was easy to find for mathematics, for zoology, for physics, right? Hello. For zoology it was difficult. To zoology we took the case that was S2 S3 or S4. If you would have considered S4, right, तो easy solve
हम्म।
हो जाता. If I would have went for S4, right? But in that case, I had to check for S2 S3 also, right? कि why S2 S3 is not possible,
हाँ,
है ना? हेलो,
नहीं
हेलो।
अगर अपन पहले अजूम ये कर लेते कि S4 से बन रहा है अपन का,
हाँ तो
कहीं
सॉल्व हो जाता,
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन नहीं आ
फिर तो
रहा है।
सॉल्व हो जाता, फिर सॉल्व हो
हाँ
जाता।
तो उसमें फिर क्रॉस चेक करने की ज्यादा वो नहीं थी ना, मतलब नीड।
नहीं मतलब यार
क्यों?
मैं वो बताना चाह रहा हूँ ना
हम्म।
कि कभी होता है ना पेपर में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये सभी नीड नहीं थी, राइट? बट कि हमारा आ गया,
हाँ।
ठीक है, बट हम फिर ये सोचेंगे ना कि भाई उस
हम्म।
केस में भी तो आ सकता है,
हाँ वो तो फिर है।
राइट? व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज ना कि वाइल डूइंग द पेपर, राइट, अभी तो हमें समझ में आ गया चेक करके कि भाई नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है। बट पेपर में ऐसा
हम्म।
जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि यू विल गो विद S4 ओनली, राइट? देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू माइट
सही
गो
है।
विद S2 S3 एज वेल,
हाँ हाँ।
राइट? मतलब मैं भी S4
यस।
जाता तो मेरे को S2 S3, बिकॉज यू वुड हैव आस्क्ड, इफ आई वुड हैव सॉल्वड विद S4 यू वुड हैव आस्क्ड मी, सर व्हाई नॉट यू आर गोइंग विद S2 S3. So
हाँ।
again I have to prove it out ना कि why I'm not going with that, right? Hello, clear? ठीक है,
क्लियर।
let's go with Venn diagram. और ये हो जाएगा क्या? 6 मिनट में नहीं होगा यार, मुझे नहीं लगता।
अरे हो
ये 10 बजे
जाए
वाले,
ये सबसे पहले।
क्या हो जाएगा? इतना आसान है?
हाँ अरे ये सबसे पहले ये वाला किया था मैंने, जल्दी हो गया बहुत।
पर वेन डायग्राम में भी काफी सारे इक्वेशंस आए थे, वो भी मतलब सॉल्व
हाँ
करके
वही
वैल्यू
बोल रहा
से।
हूँ, हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ। अब मुझे तो पूरा समझाना पड़ेगा ना। हाँ,
हाँ।
3 सेट बचे हैं ना, दिस वन,
हम्म।
एक वो तो और आसान है,
फ्रूट्स वाला
राइट?
एक है।
हाँ, और एक फ्रूट्स वाला भी आसान ही है, फ्रूट्स वाला भी इट वॉज इजी टू सॉल्व, उसमें बस
हम्म,
थोड़ा सा पॉसिबिलिटी देखना था, ठीक है। 10 बजे ही करते हैं, कभी करना है? बिकॉज कंटिन्यू
देख
में ही
लो
करते हैं क्या?
जैसा सही लगे।
कंटिन्यूशन में ही खत्म कर देते हैं, क्या बोलते हो? फिर 10 बजे क्या अलग से क्लास लेना है यार,
यस सर।
आ
है
जाओ
ना?
फिर आ जाओ, कर लेते हैं।
आ जाओ क्या होता है बे, इधर ही हूँ मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? इधर ही बैठा हूँ। एनीवेज लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके,
हम्म।
नया लिंक भेज दूं क्या? नया लिंक भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है। विल स्टार्ट विद न्यू लिंक,
हाँ।
राइट? आई एम सेंडिंग न्यू लिंक, विल डू इन दैट, ओके? भेज रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट दो, 1 मिनट, मतलब नॉट इवन 2 मिनट्स।